Switch on the Aquatrac. Log in using your username and password. Before using a material for the first time, choose the material database. Select the material. Enter the estimated moisture value. Save the data. Return to the dashboard by tapping on the house symbol. Select the graph symbol to start a measurement. Choose a material. Weigh out the sample until it reaches the displayed target weight. Press the scale symbol if the balance is connected via USB. Press the Next Step button. Open the measuring chamber. Use the tongs to remove the reagent insert. Fill the measuring cup with the new sample. Use the tongs to place the reagent insert back into the measuring cup. Add a dosing spoonful of calcium hydride into the reagent insert. Use the brush to clean the sealing surface. Close the measuring chamber. Press the arrow button to start the measurement. The measurement will stop automatically. Return to the dashboard by tapping on the house symbol.